Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Shows. Look what I got for you today. A 1967 big block, numbers matching, 396, looking sweet. And look at that RS front end on it. Man, it looks good. We got great looking chrome on the front bumper. That stripe on the nose is looking sweet. The grille itself's in beautiful shape. We got great looking emblems on the car, all the stainless, all the aluminum. Just looking beautiful. It's got a great stance to it. We got stock appearing wheels on it, wrapped with some BFGs, looking sweet. That silver paint's looking awesome. The body lines are looking great. Now this front gap up here, maybe just a tiny bit skinnier at the top than it is at the front. That gap there's looking good. The gap on the door's looking good. It's lining up nice. All the stainless and aluminum down there on the bottom looking good. All the stainless up here's looking good. The vinyl top's looking sweet. And let's check out this black interior. My favorite color on a muscle car. And baby, this is a muscle car. 1967 Camaro, numbers matching, 396. Gorgeous interior. That center console's looking good. You can see those white stripes and those seats are looking sweet. The package tray looks good. The headliner looks great. The dash pad itself's looking sweet. All the finishes there on the dash are also looking good. We got the 3-pack of gauges down there on the center console looking sweet. I'm gonna grab the keys so we can pop open the trunk. As you look down the side, you can see the bodywork on it is looking beautiful. I love the vinyl top on it. I used to have a vinyl top on my 67 Cougar when I was a kid. Inside the trunk, it looks like we got a car cover in here. You can see that the trunk floor is in beautiful shape. Looks like these tail light buckets, they've been all restored, looking good. Looks like the wiring's new. You can see they had the latch out when they did the restoration. You can also see up here, they had the latch out up here also. We got jack instructions here. Always check these lips on the deck lid here, feel those up. Look at those lips, absolutely beautiful. The gutter system here looks good, the rubber's looking good. The tail light lenses chrome looks good, that back bumper chrome looks great. As you look down the passenger side, she's looking sweet. It's got a great stance. Love this car, guys. Call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now we're gonna take this baby out and drive it. All right, let's take this baby for a ride. Numbers matching, baby. It sounds amazing. Tell you what, silver Camaro, 67, big block under the hood, all numbers matching. I don't know if it gets any better than this. She is one sweet machine, driving great, sounding great. Of course, I think I might have to put some louder mufflers on it. I like making noise. We gotta wake up the whole neighborhood, baby. Now we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. And don't forget, we can help you out with financing too. Just listen to this baby. You want to talk about sweet? Sounding amazing. And you know, it's the first year. Big block under the hood. This guy's taking his half out of the middle of the road there. Good thing he got over. Get around the corner here. We're going to take a look at that beautiful dash. As you can see, everything on the dash here is looking amazing. The gauges are looking sweet. Looks like the tack and the speedo are working. Just beautiful. We got our rally pack down here looking good. It's got the stock radio in it, so if you're one of those guys that needs to listen to the radio, you might look into one of those radios that you can hook up to your phone or whatever. Now, we do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the net, but we would love to have you come in and visit. And if you see Tom or I at a car show or JD, please come on by and introduce yourself. We'd love to meet you. Listen to this baby. Now that's just about quarter throttle too, man. This has got some giddy up and go. Now we're about to do something that nobody else does to every one of their vehicles. At Vanguard, every vehicle goes on the lift. That way we can show you exactly what the bottom side is. That's the most important part of the car and the most neglected. Listen to this baby. Man, it sounds good. So here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street. We're gonna put this baby up in the air for you right now. And take a look at that beautiful 56 Chev sitting out front. All right, we're underneath the 67 now, and man, is it pretty under here. You can see that it's got a new tank, new exhaust. Looks like the shackles are new. It's got the mono-leafs there. Everything under here looking sweet. It's got a 12-bolt rear end in it, 307 gear, and it is posi. You can see this traction bar here. This is something that they did just in 67, which is very cool. The frame members there all look good. The floorboards look good. The brake lines look like they're all new. And on the brakes, we got drums on the back. The guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're in good working order. We got a brand new fuel line going front to back. We got brand new brake line going front to back. Parking brake cables brand new. Body mount bushings are brand new. The frame is nicely painted. The back side of the pinch welds also looking sweet. Looks like factory original spot welds in there. Just everything under here is looking sweet. Cross members all painted up, looking good. The pan on the transmission's looking good, all painted up. It's a turbo 400 and it is numbers matching. The cover on the torque converter's all painted up, looking good. Bottom side of the pan looks good here. Numbers matching up front here also on the motor. The brakes up front here, it looks like all the lines have been replaced. The crossover line's been replaced. They are disc brakes. The ball joints look like they're new. The sway bar bushings look like they're new. I mean, just, it looks like a brand new 67 Camaro under here. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Bottom side of the radiator's nice and clean. I always look at the core support on every car. We got nice chrome on the bumper here. The paint work right down to the bottom edge is looking good. We got great looking wheels and tires. Those center caps look new. The trim rings look new. The paint on the wheels looking good. And then the size is 205 70 14s up front. You can see the rocker moldings are looking sweet. All the emblems look good. You can see that pinch weld all the way down on this side, also looking sweet. Bottom side of the rocker's nice and clean and nicely painted. Out back here, we have 205 70 14s back here also. Then look how shiny that wheel well is. All beautiful black paint up in there. Man, this thing's sharp. Let's get under the hood and check out what's making the horsepower. All right, under the hood here, we got the numbers matching 396, 325 horse motor. We got nice chrome valve covers. We got beautiful paint on the motor itself. Looks like we got a lot of the correct clamps on the heater hoses here. We do have a couple aftermarket clamps, but then down here on the crossover and on the top radiator hose, those look like all stock clamps. We got the GM markings on here. Alternator looks like it's a rebuilt unit. The master cylinder looks like it's nice and clean. A rebuilt unit looks like we got all new brake lines there. Looks like the power steering lines are new. Power steering pump is hiding down there underneath. All the wiring under here looks nice and clean. The inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. The upper control arms there look like they got new bushings, new shims in there. It looks like it's got a fresh alignment on it. The firewall's nice and clean. All the core support up here at the top looks good. All the paint work on the bottom side of the hood looks good. That's all chassis black. I mean, everything about the car is just amazing, guys. She's a 67. She's numbers matching, it's silver. Guys, call us 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.